By the way, it might not look like it, but it's freakishly cold here. Oh, fuck. Grab this. Grab this. लौंडे भाई खा रहे हैं भाई यहाँ पे ऊपर जोगनी वाटरफॉल के पास खाना पीना जा man, let's go. Long climb ahead. And that's Sahil on the camera by the way, so fuck him. Oh, hi everybody. My name is Prateek Mehta. This is my 4th week in the mountains of Manali by the way. And yeah, I'm helping these guys. I'm working in this property, helping these guys set up their property and do their social media. But I was in Ranikhet for a couple of days and I have a very interesting story to tell you guys. Let's go. So in Ranikhet, I went to this temple called Binsar Mahadev. That temple was very high on energy and it had every deity living under Shiva's home. Ganesha, Vishnu, you name it, the god was there. We also had a big statue of Arjun and Krishna going to war, going to the battle of Kurukshetra, the iconic Hindu imagery. But there was one manifestation of Shiva there which I was not expecting to see, and I realized that's why that temple was so high on energy. There was the Kal Bhairava manifestation of Shiva. Oh, bloody hell, my tent is all ruined again. Also the temple had Gita shloks plastered all over the wall. Pretty cool. Anyway, back to the Kala Bhairav story. So Shiva was manifested in this fierce form because of Brahma. Now Brahma, being Brahma, got really arrogant about his creation, that is the planet Earth and everybody in it, and Shiva was like, no, that's not gonna work, darling. I'll have to take one of your heads off. Where Brahma had 5 heads, now he had 4, and yeah, Shiva then paraded his head on the entire planet, reminding everybody, if you're too arrogant about your creation, Shiva is gonna lop your head off and you're gonna suffer. Anyway, we're going to the waterfall with the property owner, and yeah, we have a lot of catching up to do. Yeah, see you. कर दे start कर दे. Hey, we got the boards made, man. Let's go. Long climb ahead. And that's Sahil on the camera by the way, so fuck him. Oi, man. Hello lads, I am back at the property and it's as beautiful as ever, of course. And we're going to the waterfall. I hope you've seen my new glasses. And I'm gonna make some tea for us. So yeah, it's gonna be the property owner and me. And that's Shubham. Yeah, let's make some tea. What is creation for you?
Creation?
What is creation for you? Creating a baby is also creation. Doing art is also creation. Doing business is also creation. But what is creation for you particularly? Which makes you go कि हाँ यार, ये है creation मेरी. This is mine.
इतनी सारी क्रिएशंस हैं. मेरे ख्याल में हम अपने आप को ढूंढते हैं क्रिएट करते करते. कोई अपना दर्द व्यक्त करता है, कोई अपना खुशी व्यक्त करता है, कोई अपनी पर्सनालिटी व्यक्त करता है. क्रिएशन तो वही है.
यार मेरी एक और बात बताओ. Have you ever been egotistical about any creation of yours? और जो आपसे छीन ली गई?
I think हाँ, obviously. हाँ.
That property जिससे पहले वाली थी.
Obviously.
Do you feel arrogant about that property?
Arrogant तो नहीं, मतलब you tend to become मेरा. हाँ, बट फिर हम ये कहते हैं ना, यार मैं इंसान ही तो हूँ, मुझसे तो गलती हो गई.
भाई तो भाई जब भगवान को पनिशमेंट मिल सकती है ना, तो इंसानों को तो डेफिनेटली मिल सकती है. मेरा ये पॉइंट था. चलो भाई चलो. चलो भाई.
उस साइड जाना है.
हाँ भाई, चाय पीने तो हमेशा उस साइड जाना पड़ेगा यार. यार यहाँ बैठ के पी तो सकते हैं यार, पर उस साइड ही चलते हैं, कंफर्टेबल है यार.
ऊपर यहाँ ठीक है यार.
हाँ यहाँ ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे अपनी बढ़िया जगह. वहाँ पर भी चल सकते हैं वैसे, नॉट अ बैड आइडिया.
वहाँ पे
हाँ. Let's go. Holy shit. चलो भाई ऊपर चलो.
और ऊपर.
हाँ. बोनी यार सुनो.
हाँ.
माइक के साइड में ना ये बटन है, उसे दबा दो यार.
ये वाला.
हाँ. दब गया. छोड़ना, हाथ हटाना. हाँ दब गया. चलो भाई चलो.
यार एक तो यार मेरे को भालू याद आता है.
यार साहिल का कॉल आ रहा है, रुको. ये तो सच है कि फ्लास्क की यूटिलिटी तो है, क्योंकि चाय तो नहीं मिलती यार यहाँ पे. So Bonnie and I kind of agreed that creation is something divine. We
Yeah.
all create relationships, be it creating relationships, ideas, building some aura, building life attack, building babies is also biologically also hardwired to do creation. Now I wanna ask you Bonnie, बैठ जाओ एक बार, important सवाल है, मेरे को इसका थोड़ा इमोशनल आंसर दोगे आप.
Yeah.
Have you ever been egotistical about your creation and it's been taken out of your hand?
lot of times. A lot of times.
Were you arrogant about that property? A bit, maybe?
Yeah, a bit maybe. There was a lot of.
Because that was generating a lot of revenue.
It was on the verge of becoming something huge for us. Financially talking. Not
Financially,
like,
of course,
financially
yeah.
talking.
But I think that was also a baby in the sense that it looked pretty.
Yeah, it looked pretty. A lot of hard work. Not even, it was not particularly me. The whole thing was not mine. So a lot of people were associated. It was kind of a teamwork.
अब तो इकोसिस्टम था यार, गांव बना रखा है.
And we didn't give. We were the only kind of people who didn't give any fuck to the old Manali guys. So we were not fucking, we were not concerned about any fucking person, bro. It was our own village. We lived in that part. But I don't know. Overlooking all those aspects, we built something. We had a good time. We lived there for 3 years. Had the most amazing parties over there. We met a lot of people, lost a lot of relationships in the process. So it goes on, but you learn a lot of things. You learn how to live the next chapter of your life, maybe the next few years of your life in a better way.
तो गाइस हम जा रहे हैं बैनर्स लगाने. This is the banner and करंट खा के apparently. चल भाई चल. चल भाई चल साहिल.
साहिल तुझे करंट की जरूरत है पता है? मुट्ठी मार
यार अभी तो दिन शुरू हुआ है, गंदी गंदी बातें मत करो यार प्लीज. इडियट. मत जा. बाय. Okay, quick update. That is Sheshram ji. He's the property owner, and that is Shubham. He leases the property, and I work for him. Yeah, and that's Vashishth Market. आके रुकना और फिर ऑल द वे ऊपर जाना.
जाओ आओ आप.
अरे पहले लग जा सर एक बार. Shubham. Right lads, we're going to another day. We're going to another waterfall, and this is the Jogini waterfall. Extremely iconic and very huge, and we love it. I want to show you the mountains there, but the waterfall is far ahead. Bonnie, can you say hi? Hey, let's go. हाथ में रख के कैसे रोने में चालू हमेशा थोड़ी कुछ मिलता है बाहर
अरे यार ये फ्लास्क की कितनी फुटेजेस लेगा.
चाय मिल गई भाई को. यार खाओ यार, भाई खाओ आपने. कैसे लश्ते लौंडे भाई खा रहे हैं भाई यहाँ पे ऊपर जोगनी वाटरफॉल के पास खाना पेला जा रहा है। सो द वाटर हैज स्टॉप्ड अगेन। तो साहिल और मैं जा रहे हैं भाई पानी फिक्स करने। Okay, this seems a bit tricky, but I think we'll get there. Ah, look at that. Holy crap, Sahil has gone ahead. So this is an infinitely shorter route to the source of water. However, this is a bit sketchy. That is also the truth. Okay, I'll have to put the phone inside again, perhaps. Man, this is not good. That crevice, and that is Sahil. He's waiting for us. Let's go. And the view, of course. Okay lads, now we have to reach there, so it's a bit of a steep climb. Let's go. Hello. कहाँ है साहिल? सोर्स बताएगा? सोर्स कहाँ है? ओ ये तो वही रास्ता है जहाँ से हम आते हैं अब। We've reached the source. Let's bloody fix it now. That's the pipe. That's the source. That's, I think, the bad water, bro. A lot of dust was stuck in the pipe, so I think it will be cleaned automatically because of the water flow. This and this is good. Let's go. Sahil is fixing that joint. And then we go back to the property. Okay, so the water is fixed and we're walking down. See you in a while. The walk down is also a bit tricky. Holy shit. यहाँ पे रहता है भाई, remember जिन्हें मैं जर्मन कपल बोल रहा था 1-2 एपिसोड्स पहले, यहाँ पे एक्चुअली यूक्रेनियन woman and Indian men and their kid lives here. But I thought they're here for, soul cleansing and shit like that. But no, they're influencers, so it's pretty depressing. Anyway, back to the property. So while walking back, we found another water leakage which we have fixed. So that's that. And now we're walking back to the property again. God, that sucks. Look at that. I also have to do this. Still walking back. Holy crap. Yep. Make a jump now. I think I'll jump here. Oh, fuck. Grab this. And ouch. God, we've reached. See the property. That's there. And that's Sahil. And we have the water running now. So, yep. Good for us. Woohoo. Mission successful. By the way, it might not look like it, but it's freakishly cold in Manali. And yeah, I just woke up, brushed my teeth, and I am gonna cook myself breakfast. Yeah, let's go. Chal, andar. Let's go. Come on. तुम्हें देख मुझे तो लगी है भूख। हमने पापा से बोलियो कि तुझे घुमाए। Alright, the food is good. Anyway, where were we? Yeah, creation. I think the moral of the whole Kal Bhairav story was that we shouldn't be too arrogant about our art, because being too arrogant about and egotistical about anything can truly get you killed. Like Brahma got killed, I mean his head got chopped off, so that's that. Anyway, here's a fun thing that I want to tell you. I am moving to another tent which has a fantastic view. Let me show you the tent. Oh shit, I dropped my tea, but that's okay. Yeah, that's the tent we'll be moving to, and it has a fantastic view. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. I mean, next week.